Okay, we have our Hardinge 8C chucker. It's an older machine. The bed looks to be in pretty darn good shape. Cross slide, very smooth. Longitudinal, very smooth. 5C built-in collet closer. It has the old style threading attachment on the top. And go ahead and run her for you. Running forward in slow speed. And we can go to the middle range here. Nice and quiet, nice and smooth. High range. Also, we have the power or manual turret that indexes nice and smooth. And we have the electronic feed for carriage, which is variable from nothing to wide open. It works fine. Cross feed. Everything seems to work nicely on this old machine.